Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystique Magic. So today I am going to create this look, summer fresh makeup tutorial, and if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. But before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it, and if you like this video, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Goals collide, hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender it. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. let's have a bit of fun till our downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, sky, all because of you.
So that's all. This is my finished look. So hope you like my video, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.